Be part of history. 3 levels korang boleh contribute to ASEAN 2045. Tak payah jadi politician. As rakyat biasa pun ada role. But realistically, apa yang boleh kita buat? Mari aku kongsikan. Level 1. Spread awareness. Ni paling senang dan paling impactful sebenarnya. Share konten pasal ASEAN 2045. Educate family and friends. Sebab honestly, ramai orang tahu ASEAN exist tapi tak faham what it does. Even students IR kadang-kadang tak tahu. Knowledge is the first step. Level 2. Take action. Support sustainable practices. Buy ASEAN products. Consider career opportunities across the region. Small actions like this indirectly support ASEAN's economic and environmental goals. Tapi jangan expect instant big impact. It's a long-term contribution yang kolektif. Level 3. Participate. Attend public dialogues. Join civil society forums kalau ada opportunity. Attend real talk. Official channels for citizen participation masih terhad. Around 80 CSOs je yang formally accredited. Tapi, platforms like ASEAN Civil Society Conference and tough access tak sama rata untuk semua orang. ASEAN 2045 masih work in progress untuk jadi truly people-centered. Your awareness and actions matter even if small.